got a redemption game, man. We got to come back from last week. Got to take care of running. Go! Oh, yeah, right. Yeah. What the hell? Go ahead, boy. Go ahead. Go. Oh,
Where's overload? It's 2 o'clock. Where they at?
Woo! Behind you. Right here. Ball. Got it. Oh, right. Let's go, boy. Come back. Oh! Take on, rotate.
Oh, man. You can start out 0-3. That really don't mean anything.
Bing. Oh, God. Good boy. Go, boy. Hey, pick it up, Mo. Keep running. Go. Get out of here. Go. Oh, yeah, Mo. Stay! That's your man, bro! Right there! Thank you. Y'all want to rush 3? Y'all want to rush 3? Time out. I don't know, baby. I don't know. Go ahead, load it. Yeah, load. Let's try this one. They're going to throw it to their 3-man online. Let's lock up. Can't none of these boys got down. You know what I'm saying? Big dog around here. Can't nobody keep up with me. Serious, I don't know. They practice down there, boy. Look at watch the routes now down here. Oh! That's you! Come here, small. Come here, Hey, we winning now. We winning now. They were last
laughing at us, you know what I'm saying? No, we don't want their ass, you feel me? Now we come with everybody else as we play.
Man, look,
Yeah, we winning
I
now.
don't got too much talk. Best receiving core out here. You see what the hell we do, bro. You get it right, you see what the hell we do, bro.
Hey, go over there with my mama at, man.
Y'all doing, Lee?
I played against my brother today.
Yes, sir.
And she came out here. See, I know what time it is.
So this was a sibling rivalry, huh?
Yeah, family rivalry.
Well, hey, who got it done today?
Who you think? You looking at him.